JB. Hey, I'm JB. Hey, I'm JB.
Hi, I'm JB, and this is MessQuest.
This is MessQuest.
Is MessQuest.
And this is MessQuest.
And this is MessQuest.
We're on a mission to find the toughest messes on the planet.
So we're here at Fresno Truck Center. I'm moving on through the shop here at US Farm Systems.
And I'm standing in Bakersfield, California, Patriot Environmental Services, where I guess I got an oily mess waiting for me. Let's check it out.
Survival of mankind rests with me and this machine.
Now that was a load of crap.
The Alkota pressure washers are on every response that we go to. So the reason we've teamed up with Alkota is because the reliability, the relationship we have with them, and the fact that we know that they're going to operate efficiently every time we need them. Alkota pressure washers are up to Patriot standards.
And now the mess is in your court. Let's see what you can bring me.
I'm JB, and this is MessQuest.